Your refreshing salad contains an ingredient that has incredible health benefits, the humble cucumber. So grab a seat and let's explore the 7 amazing health benefits of eating cucumbers. Hi, I am Dr. I. Welcome to A Healthy Dose. Let's become healthier together. Did you know that cucumbers, despite being commonly mistaken for vegetables, are actually fruits, and they pack a nutritional punch? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will be reaching for cucumbers more often than you think. Health benefit number 1, high in nutrients. Let's talk nutrients. Cucumbers are low in calories, but oh boy, are they rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Check this out. A standard serving has only 45 calories, but it's loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, potassium, manganese. And the best part, you get all these goodies while staying guilt-free on the calorie front. Health benefit number 2, antioxidant power. Antioxidants, the superheroes combating those free radicals wreaking havoc in our bodies. Cucumbers come to the rescue. Studies have shown that cucumbers have flavonoids and tannins, powerful compounds that fight oxidative stress. Health benefit number 3, hydration booster. Feeling a bit parched? Cucumbers aren't just water-rich. They are hydration superheroes. Proper hydration is vital for everything from metabolism to physical performance. Health benefit number 4, weight loss ally. If you are on a weight loss journey, cucumbers might be your secret weapon. Low in calories, high in water content. A dream combo for shedding those pounds. Health benefit number 5, blood sugar control. Now, for our friends dealing with diabetes, this one's crucial. Animal studies suggest that cucumbers could be a game changer in controlling blood sugar levels. Health benefit number 6, digestive health. Let's talk bathroom habits, shall we? Cucumbers not only keep you hydrated, but also support regular bowel movements. Fiber and pectin found in cucumbers play a starring role in maintaining digestive regularity. Benefit number 7, easy to add to your diet. Cucumbers are not just healthy, they are easy to incorporate into your meals. So there you have it, folks. Who knew this crisp and refreshing fruit could be such a powerhouse? Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on the video here.